What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is Friday over here. Hope you guys are doing well. Today we're going to be talking about Jasmy. Going to be taking a look into some upside and downside price targets for this coin. See what has changed since the last time we talked about this. Also going to be taking a look into some key price levels this coin you need to pay attention to for this coin to break in either direction. We're also going to be talking about Bitcoin. Bitcoin currently is back below 27K. We did get a close on top of the daily 50 SMA and had a pretty good week overall. See if we're going to have a continuation of this pump and continue to bring quite a bit of these altcoins up, or is this rally over and this could cause quite a bit of a pullback for a lot of these altcoins as well. So we're going to be taking a look into what could be happening with Bitcoin. Very importantly, I'm going to be giving you guys my personal opinions and sentiments later in this video, so make sure to stay around for that. Of course, none of what I'm saying here is financial advice. I'm purely sharing with you guys my personal opinions and speculations. I could very well be wrong. I am not a financial advisor nor an elite trader of any sort, even though I am a profitable trader who's been able to keep most of my profits during the last bear market. And I'm looking to crush it here for the next bull cycle. So if you guys feel the same way, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Let's get right into the charts. Where's my chart? Oh, God. All right. Let me pull that up. I don't know why it wasn't showing at first. All right, here you go. We have Jasmy pulled up here at about 0.35 cents, about there. Down slightly today. Okay. We do have Bitcoin also down, so that could be a reason, right? Bitcoin is still the driver in this market, but we are seeing Bitcoin dominance actually going down, and we do have total 3 Ethereum both up. Okay, so that is also a pretty good sign if you're trading altcoins. If you see Bitcoin dominance going down, it's usually a good sign, because that means, if Bitcoin was going downwards, the altcoins would be going down less than Bitcoin. But in this case, it's even better because Bitcoin is going down and you see the altcoins, including Ethereum, are both up. So pretty bullish situation for the altcoins at the moment. Let's take a look into, what could be happening with Jasmy. However, it hasn't really had too much of a move for the past couple of days. Actually has been down, past couple of daily candles here. I talked about on the weekly time frame here last time, right, where there was a breakdown of this double top pattern, which is very bearish. Measure target is going to be pretty damn low, right? It's going to take you all the way down to 3 decimals, right? 3 decimals, three decimals, and then 175. Okay, that's way lower than where price action is at right now. Could that actually happen? I mean, price action has broken down from this double top pattern and has been just dragging out for quite a few months actually. So it doesn't seem like the bears have really been putting in the work and pushing this price action down towards that measure targets. So is there any chance of a turnaround for Jasmy here? Well, we're going to have to take a look into a lower time frame and see if we can get any clues on what could be happening on this weekly time frame, right? So on this daily time frame here, we can see that the price action broke down from a rising wedge, which is usually bearish, right? It did break down. I mentioned a possible double bottom scenario last time, I believe, with the measure target of about 0.39 cent area, right? So let's see. The price action looks like it has broken above it, but basically has broken back below this neckline of 0.36 cents area. So let's invalidate this, because when you break back into a pattern, you're gonna invalidate the pattern, right? So let's see what could be happening here. I mean, there's no particular pattern I'm seeing here. One best guess that I can make right now is basically a possible cup and handle pattern that could be forming. So you're gonna have your rounded bottom right here, which usually makes up the cup of the pattern of the cup and handle, but this is not a fully formed cup and handle here. I'm just making a guess, okay? This is not necessarily going to come true. If it comes true, I would say the neckline is going to be at about this area right here, at about that 0.39 cents area, because you're going to have quite a bit of resistance just in terms of the daily moving time frame here around that that area here. So you definitely want to consider these resistances for this neckline of your cup and handle, of your possible cup and handle. Okay, so that's basically what I'm looking at. This is probably my best guess on what could be happening. We can even take a look into the lower time frame and see if we can get any clues on if things are looking bullish or bearish for this coin at the moment. Okay, even if we come down to the 4-hour time frame here, this does start to look more like a it's trying to form a cup and handle, right? I mean, we could draw we could chart here just very recently, like what has happened, right? It looks like a falling wedge breakout, right? Which usually breaks to the upside, right? So you could probably see it right here. Some type of falling channel, falling wedge breakout, right? To get a clearer picture of what has really happened. So it looks like the price action has broken out of this falling channel pattern. Probably can get 3 weeks touching on a lower time frame. No, not on the 2-hour. All right. Probably on the hourly. I just like to see 3 weeks touching as closely as possible. And we have the first week almost touching. So I'm going to consider it. This looks like a breakout of a falling channel pattern, right? So it looks like it has been doing some bullish things on the shorter time frame here. Okay. So yeah, that's basically what I'm seeing. Best guess here, probably that cup and handle pattern. Let's take a look into some price levels, some key resistances this price action does need to break in order to get back to the upside here. So in order for me to say that this price action has broken back above this neckline of about 0.425 cents area, right? This is the neckline of that head and shoulders pattern, right? I mean, aside from this neckline, you also do want to consider this, because looks like, the weekly candle here has actually broken back above that neckline. However, it did get rejected, right? So you do want to see a candle close above that again, right? Preferably above the weekly 50 SMA. So in addition to the neckline here, you do want to get back above the weekly 50 SMA, because you don't want to get back on top of the neckline, which would be about that, 0.425, 0.43 cents area. And then immediately you're going to run into the weekly 50 SMA, which I would expect to be quite a bit of sellers and short sellers stacked there, right? So that's basically what I'm seeing. Also reiterating what I said last time as well. So that is what you are probably going to be paying attention to on the upside here. Of course, that cup and handle pattern that possible cup and handle pattern hasn't formed. So we're going to keep an eye out on that. If you guys do want an update on Jasmy, make sure to like, subscribe, comment. If enough of you guys want to see it, I will bring you guys an update again, right? So let's take a look into some key resistances going upwards. Immediately, you're going to see the weekly 21 SMA here at about that 0.4 cents area, which is the blue line here. And then you're going to have your weekly 50 SMA about that 0.46 cent area at the gray line there. Let's take a look into the 3-day time frame here. Right. The 3-day time frame here, you're going to have your 3-day 21 SMA right above this price action, right? At about 0.37 cents area. Your 3-day 50 SMA about that 0.42 cents area. Okay. And then your 3-day 200 is way out there. So we're not even going to really worry about it right now. So you guys can do the same for your daily moving averages and the monthly time frame as well. The same drill, looking at moving averages as resistances going back upwards, as well as whatever time frame you guys are focusing on, right? As well as past trading history, right? We're not going to do that here for resistance because that would take quite a bit of time and it would be pretty damn boring, honestly. So, that's going to be an exercise you guys should be doing on your own if you guys are serious about trading, right? Now, let's take a look onto the downside here and see what could be going on the downside here, okay? On the downside here, some key supports. First of all, I'm coming to the monthly time frame so I can get a cleaner look at the candles, right? We're going to have 0.31 cents. Well, about that 0.3 cent area, you're going to have quite a bit of strong support coming from June and August, right? That's going to be in the 0.3 cents range. And then you're going to get about, yeah, I mean, in that 0.3 cents area, you're going to have quite a bit of support. You're going to have, what is his candle right here, right? December last year, January this year, and then June of this year, and then August of this year. So if it actually breaks those support, then we're going to come back here and take another look and see what's going on with this market instead. But that's basically what I'm seeing at that 0.3 cent area, quite a bit of strong support there. Let's take a look into Bitcoin real quick. So Bitcoin has had quite a bit of a move today, right? Overall, this week looks pretty good for Bitcoin, but the real test is gonna come at about that 28K area, right? You're gonna have your weekly 200, weekly 21, your daily 200. So a lot of big moving averages in that area, right? That I would expect quite a bit of volatility, right? It's gonna look very bullish if the price action is able to hold back above those moving averages, and the next target I'll be looking at will be 32K. But this is the real test right here for Bitcoin. It's going to be that 28K area. Expect quite a bit of volatility for Bitcoin and the altcoins because Bitcoin is still the driver here. All right. My overall sentiment on this market is still bullish. I am still long on quite a bit of altcoins here. If enough of you guys want to see Jasmy, make sure to like, subscribe, comments. If enough of you guys want to see it, I will bring you guys an update. That's it for this post. Thank you very much for watching. See you guys on my next post, and see you guys later.